Auld Lang Syne, the easiest version of this tune, can be played with only 3 chords. I'm going to show you a version in the key of C, and I will show you the melody first. So we're going to start off with both hands in C home bass position, and the left hand will be playing a few melody notes. Most of the time it will play chords, but we'll start off with the melody note. Alright, so that was the melody by itself. Now I'll show you the 3 chords that we're going to use. The 3 primary chords. So this is C, and the next chord is G, and we're going to use our down hand shape. And I'll go ahead and show the right hand, even though if the right hand is busy playing melody, you probably won't be playing chords. But you never know, you might want to just play chords while other people sing. So it's good to know both hands. Alright, so we've got C and G, which is the down hand shape. Then we'll go back to C. And the third one is F, which is the up hand shape. So every once in a while the left will stop playing chords in order to play that melody note. Let's try it out with the melody and the chords together.